Hello, my brother. Good morning.
Nedu, good morning.
I greet you. How you doing?
I did fine.
Now, on your issue where you send me for Instagram, you say you want to see me for Wazuba before you kill yourself. What to make you want kill yourself?
Nedu, a lot of things don't happen. Now, like I said, now a very long talk.
Okay.
But I will cut and short.
Okay.
Um, I got married in 2015.
Okay.
Then I did work with Diamond Bank from Diamond Bank to Access.
Okay.
So 2019, though I was working with WAEC.
Okay.
The money not the
You're not today okay like that.
So along the line, I managed the money along the line. 2019,
Yes.
my wife said make I resign. Say the money not they reach anywhere. Say she gets more money for accounts when she go give me make I use start business. So she don't give me this money. I can't start the business I did into pitching utensils.
Yes.
So I did do the business. Along the line, 2020 during COVID, she got one offer from another, because she was working with Credit Direct.
Yes.
So she got another offer with another company. After she can't do interview in the compass. Later, she can't go medical. She can't fail medical.
Okay.
They no can't give her the job.
Yes.
So she don't look for job. She knows say, okay, come back, make we they shop together.
Yes.
But along the line, as we now she give me the money, yes, I don't want to deny that. Okay. But as we run the business together,
yes,
I can't notice say they sideline me from the business. They should sideline me from the business. I don't follow her. So I spoke to again one man when me and they close, the elderly man. So I said, see what's happen. I just talked to the man. The man I said, like I calm down. What's in the marriage? He passed me.
Yes.
So make I calm down. So I slowed down. Just the watch. So along the line, because since that's 2015, we never born. So she don't need to go do fibroid issue.
Yes. Hello?
Money. She can't go. They hear me?
Yeah, they hear you. Continue.
She want to surgery fibroid.
Yes.
I not get the money.
Yes.
Because as we did all this business over there, anybody will buy because if money get my hand, I just spend that.
Yes.
So I said, okay, make the money, make the money the day accounts, make I know go spend that. My own now, maybe during weekend we go buy what we go chop, go house. So also just the money. If I take 1 naira from the shop or maybe 1,000, do one or two things, she will carry and go like say heaven. I don't say heaven. A lot of things I need to call our people. Say come or see what's happening. We now had a meeting.
Yes.
My family and our meeting. They from East come Lagos. We sorted things out.
Okay.
Everybody. Then she was saying that she don't want the marriage again. To be say with you. Yes, because almost everything where they happen. Okay, house rent now from this business. But she dey see him. Because me they see him saying both of us get a business. But now she bring the money. I don't want to deny her that. Now she bring the money.
Yes.
So if from parents, from their parents, she was saying that she pay their rent. Food, saying that she they bring money for food. And it everything saying that she they do. So I can't be like say I know who up, I know who grand again. And it got to a point when during that period she had that surgery. The mom
can't stay with you
came. Yes, come stay with us for Lagos here. And the woman too not to be strong like that. And the tell her say, so we won't bring your mama. And she not say she mama no strong. Why you won't bring her? Say she we go lock the shop. Say I go to take care of them. They take care of the shop at the same time. I say, yeah, mama, don't worry, I go handle her my own way. But make mama say last she still bring her mama come. So mama come there with us. The same woman will come and take care of person we know well. Because me, I go to the shop now. The woman come for sick. I go to the shop 5 o'clock. I go close up. I go house. I go cook. I go do everything. I go carry. Boom.
Oh, now you go house. Now you go cook.
Yes, at the end of the day, I go cook because I need to take food to them to the hospital. Because the woman safe where they look after my wife, she can't get hospitalized. They hospitalized inside the same hospital. So the thing come too much on me.
Yes.
So one night, that time they don't come back house because the woman gets ulcer. She know they chop the thing where they eat. I come boy daddy prepare her sauce. And when I do this here, my wife not tell me say the woman know they chop fry stuff or fry sauce. Because I don't fry the thing finish. Bring her out. My wife can tell me say, she you know say she know the and not be the way you take tell me that, but it's not the approach.
Yes.
If you see as the shake take talk I look and I don't know where I want to start. I can't use verse. Say the woman got say she not go chop the food. I use verse, carry the whole food, go inside those things that night. Go inside, go sleep. I not get myself. So my brothers, everybody they told me if you don't tire to come, if you don't tire, that's me. She normally she na nice person. I mean my wife.
Yes.
But after the woman, her mother came, everything just done. Imagine we go inside, maybe we dey inside parlor, they watch movie. The thing we go here say, and see correct men now in the married wife, not be person who can stay, you know. Then go, I go there, and she go to my wife go join them. Then go, I go reach a point. I go carry one. I don't want to mention the name because I did here. I go carry one substance, drink.
Ew.
They look for that, I don't see that.
Ew.
He nothing way I know. That same day, that same night. That same night, as we they argued and I can't hit her for mouth. With my day. So my wife just run come out. Go police. This is why they talk now they happened early last year. Go call police. The police come call me, come invite me, I go their station. We talk finish. They come but because say you see you money in your hand, you get upper hand. Police come tell and say you did wrong. You know won't come down. And your mama the engineer you instigate to make you look down on your husband. So police one and that day she's if say na me go call police, that police, she go say na because say na me go call police, na me police conside me.
Yeah.
So, police come say make I dey go. They can continue like that and like that. So a lot of things they way the woman talk to her mama where I no fit they talk and I no fit remember again. So but on the I can't tell her say for peace to reign, your mama need to go back to village. We will watch television, the woman go put one, you know, the PC people where be married woman, not the person. You got to the stage say the woman, if we come up for house, the woman go carry my matter, go they tell people in the compound, you know. So and the compound people come back. If I come back, they will tell me say, is this your mother-in-law? Say yes. The woman is learning. So see the things where the woman they bring come they tell us so. But the reason waiting they make and they come meet us, they tell us first person said the same thing to me, second person tell me to, the third person. Now I gonna call my wife. Say, see waiting I hear your mama
they go talk.
I beg, say her mama no fit
talk that kind of thing
like that. So I just let it go. Now, early this year, okay, everything done normalized. And because at that time, family came, she asked and said whether you won't go. Say she won't go. She don't want to stay the marriage again. Say she not fit the marriage where now she did do
naturally everything.
Everything. And I say, you better make she dey
single.
Yes. And say she dey married where her husband no fit take care of her. A lot of things, you know. So when they ask me, because before I go say I won't marry, I ask question. Even traditionally,
yes,
Ajurag,
yes.
as my elder sister with prophetess.
Yes.
And the prophets, I say, yeah, you know, block what I will tell, and I'm not the early morning. I say, don't go anywhere. I will not try it.
If you say make you not go anywhere, you not go anywhere.
I will not try it. Here, I step out. So yeah, from your bottom, sim, thing, MMG Kawa Chasonia, my wife. Because my that is called me.
Not everybody they understand Igbo speak English.
Okay, my elder sister called that Woody. Yeah, she mentioned my wife's name.
Yes.
Then we just friends. We never even did it. We were just friends then. Because she was still in school. Ruby, so name. See her and my friend. Ask him, that person will be your wife. So years later, I just work out my own. Say make I go ask, make inquiry. They said the same thing. So I put said.
Yes.
But now on this thing on everybody can tell me saying that the mama
the ginger her.
Yes. So I can't tell her say mama go. Finally, mama come. Even up to now, it was last month.
Yes.
That I called the woman to reconcile with her because I know if they keep quarrel with my mother-in-law, I reconcile with her, let everything. We don't have to make it go. So, but fresh one as at yesterday. We go to the shop. Now, as we talk now, she's pregnant.
Okay.
After 7 years. Now, yesterday, Wetin my wife coming for shop. You remain small, make I go stand for road. Nothing why I know. I can't wonder, see, she this baby won't come, you go fit take care of her. Nothing way my wife not talk yesterday. So I to cut everything short, I look say maybe normally she a very nice person.
Yes.
Me, I never nice, but I look and say maybe like because she the saying that she gets it.
Yes.
Yeah, I need to get my own thing and be doing. So I look everything and say if I fit get job what I fit do. I think yes, all this now I was as I did open here I would do that thing as I resign. I can't go last but go do OND.
Yes.
So now I have OND. I make I say if I fit get job where I fit to take care of my family until she puts prepared. I say make I call you, make I see Wetin our backyard fit do for me.
Well, thank God say you don't come out killing yourself for the matter, and thank God say even the one where you take, you not kill you. Moko just leave that one, you don't come out there. You see, which is one of the reasons why they tell a lot of people we want to venture into relationship and marriage. I mean, it's beautiful. You get plenty things where go scatter marriage. You get plenty things where go scatter that love where you feel say una get. For example, this matter of sickle cell, where then go tell you say, you na AS, this one na AS, not marry person will be. If una say, oh, love to the shakuna, you can't go marry. When una born that picking when it be say na SS, you see that love, it go come out.
I tell you.
It go disappear. And at the same thing why they tell people when it be, if you never get money, if you never get how to handle yourself, if you never take care of yourself, finish. Not go enter something when it be say, because man, they respected on the guys on the condition say they provide.
Yeah.
Yes.
A man is loved and respected on the condition say they provide. If you not they provide, my brother, it go only take time. Your own fee take 1 month. This one go fee take 6 months. This one go fee take 2 years. It go reach point when they be say the woman go turn face you waiting safe. You know they see other men waiting and they do.
Now waiting to happen now.
You understand? And so I totally understand. And Wetin sweet me for all this is where you dey talk. Now say your wife not be bad. You see they talk am say not be bad person she be.
Yeah.
You see they talk am. You understand? If now say in all this is where you talk saying a bad person she be, then I be say issues don't pass normal. But as you tell saying a good person she be, then my brother, as we dey talk am so then I to open them to everybody when it be say they hear us now. Yeah. Anybody we want give you work, we feel say okay, make them find something where they go fit give you since you don't resign from bank. It is very simple. Tombo go handle that one. All of them, Tombo get number when them say they go call. Then go begin, interviews go begin come. You go get 1 or 2 jobs where you go they do so that at least even if now 50,000 you they make in a month, my brother, at least they come out for house.
Yes.
Familiarity brings contempt. Now English people talk. One person they see you too much. Woman here fin then go see you finish. But when you they come out, go they hustle. You come back, you hustle, honest hustle, not be to thief. You come back, at least your wife go respect you extra. When love go blossom, you go be like a flower where they grow. You get the point now. So what thing we go do now is we go open phone line, and also then go advise you what thing to do. Plus including say those when they say go like give you work, then go also send messages either to my DM for Instagram or to Tombo DM. Then we go take them for there, okay?
But no, I will not like. I don't fit here radio like this.
Okay. Somebody they ask whether you fit drive.
Yes, I did drive.
Okay, no problem. And we go. Even if you not feel hear radio, just try download our app our app now for radio. Once we go market to come back, you go begin download the app, then tune into us. It is App Store, yeah. Yeah, thank you. We go come back to you. So all of us don't hear our guy now. This one a backyard member him be. So make all of us help him. As we help him to get work, we also they help in marriage. You understand? Yeah. Because it don't reach point where they say the woman don't talk, say the marriage don't tire her. And the truth be say if this man not get work before the big picking come,
really that double wahala now.
He go worse, and the truth be say. You not go blame the woman.
I not blame her.
I not blame the woman.
I not blame her.
I not blame sister one bit. I not blame her.
Now ginger, she the ginger this guy.
Yes.
To become a man.
Well, you fit see him as ginger.
If you ginger the man to go kill him.
If you ginger to go kill him.
Think of killing.
No, now the mother-in-law. Now be the ginger to kill person.
Now the influence.
No.
The wife.
Now the woman be the conduit. Now be the connection. Now be the pipe through the husband. That be the fuel because the mother-in-law no go come tell the man now.
See where they from come, man. The mother-in-law, the mother-in-law now is supposed to be the balancer. If not confirmed mother-in-law, now she go to tell this woman. Now she go to tell the daughter say no, not be everything, not be bed of roses. There's a time to enjoy.
You know, say mother-in-law day. I don't say mother-in-law will come. Not be on top of backyard. They will talk him last year, be last 2 years. Mother-in-law will come. Stay before COVID. COVID can start. He not come feel go. Mother-in-law carry belly for son-in-law.
For the son. Yes. Now exactly. I hear that one. Well, now part of it now they talk so. So this woman like waiting this guy talk. Now in condition. Now let this woman change. The guy confirm as this his wife and a good person.
Normal.
Now good person or she either.
Yeah, the finance problem can come. So he resign,
if she
right?
Be good person, and that finance problem come.
She go still mellow because you get women.
So don't you feel say she hide her?
Yes, now she hide them from the beginning.
See the lack of finance bring that one part of her.
My brother,
no romance without finance.
No romance without finance.
No romance without money.
No woman that loves her husband, no go bring that type of.
Because I don't see woman maybe say their husband things turn around, get. But they still they behave well. They still love the man.
Get where she go make
so she get
for the man.
Somewhere.
I don't tell you.
Unless the man upon him no get money, they see they do some kind of things so you know.
Nobody man they go shop.
Unless that.
He they take care of the woman. They do everything. Are you with me now?
They watch the others.
But you do all of this and that TTC they there.
So you get some women maybe say if you give them even choncho enter their hand, pass the husband on, they will change.
Why you think? Yes, automatically. If you get plenty women when they say if money enter their hand, pass their husband now, forget it. That man don't turn to toy. You understand? And also, woman where you see they misbehave, when the man come back carry one bomb. Throw for the woman. Your name don't change from Mpankechi.
How they tell you?
Now, honey, baby, Otam. Now, so you go be. The next morning when she wake up, she go, I tell you, honey, I've ironed your face mask. Honey, I've washed your car. You come to wonder what happen. We want safe person marriage. Person when you be say them two love themselves.
There's love, yes.
Destiny bring them together. Say them guys stay together.
Yeah. And they don't endure no because they would forget the childless.
7 years. And they don't endure matter of say they not get wife, they not get pikin.
Now pikin won't come now.
No. So we also not be only say we dey help the marriage, we also dey help the pikin.
Exactly.
Make it not come go left when he be say the pikin go come turn to the part when he be say mama go don waka go, mama she dey with the live without mama, they don't do divorce for something wey not supposed to happen when he be say just small nchoncho work and supposed to come from am. Hello, who dey on the phone line, Biko?
Anybody wey no get work, no matter how you take love your husband no get something wey dey provide. There's no way you be happy.
He no go dey happy.
And that's make them try how they go take do. Make the mother-in-law go rest for their house, in your house.
Abio.
So they will get peace for their family.
Not be lying. Thank you very much, man.
No,
Thank
sure,
you. Thank you. Quick, sharp. Hello, who dey hear you? Who dey there?
My brother, good morning.
Good morning, who dey hear you?
Sharply.
I beg I go advise make una send somebody to cancel the wife too. Make you understand small. I beg.
Okay, no problem, sir. Thank you, sir. Ofure talk say, I no hear that part where the woman talk say where the guy talk say him be they collect say the woman say make him resign because say the money when they collect this small.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
not from beginning now.
Now the Wetin they start the talk.
They just, yeah.
So which means it not be about him being busy.
No.
Now about him earning power.
Exactly. The level of money.
And control mechanism too.
Oyibo.
Because e get some kind things when not be say I want this my wife for radio. For me to maintain my dignity as a confirmed Tarzan or Kuku Jumuku, my source of income, I go keep am first.
Must come hard.
He must dey
No matter how
higher.
much come it be, I go improve. Not be say to delete them.
But wetin go make the source of income improve now? Wetin go make the guy salary improve now? Make dey better now? Now because of say he don't get OND now.
Yeah.
Before it be no hold am.
Before it be no hold am.
Okay, yeah, that's another.
It be not hold am before. Now why Kim been gets before? So even when another same banking one go back to, he go collect more money.
Yeah.
But what I can think of again now say, as the woman say making resign, now the woman give her money to take start the business. Now the woman can still sit down on top of the business,
Exactly.
come collect the business for the
Before
man head.
See you.
Womanhood.
Wow.
Na carrot and stick.
So that means we need to be very careful.
Are you aware?
No,
Man, where?
he get some things we not consign us.
Okay.
He get some things we
Now
not
just the
consign
thought
us.
generally.
So based on Adam and Steve setting up.
Our major problem now, our major issue now make we help the man get work.
Okay.
That's all. At least that one go settle something. Any other thing will go happen. Make it be seen that the man see him by himself.
By himself, exactly.
You understand? Make we not there. They talk say because we don't handle cases we be like this. We know say it go be.
Every case they different.
Every case they different.
Yeah.
So the question is, yes, support the woman to succeed. But why is it common for most women to be successful and not regard their partner? But wait, women, I just got to beg una. Why it be say when una dey successful pass una husband, una no dey regard the man?
I think now the way that they wired.
No.
If you check, now the way that they wired.
Sense that this
I
I'm
don't
telling
think
you.
so.
Wait, calm down now.
He said women.
Yes.
Sir, you a woman.
Oroboski
Okay,
Boja.
don't-
I have seen
I'm
that
a woman.
even this.
Okay, you
but
wait,
tell us.
woman,
I
tell
know
us.
what.
Tell
I
us
know
come
what.
later.
Wetin be the thing?
So maybe
Eh.
the reason why I'm not shifting your points fully.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Maybe not all women are like that, but maybe the man don't do some kind things before. Maybe you don't do some kind thing. Maybe like you don't suffer the woman like back to back. That's why she's like that. So the time that all women are wired that way, that maybe when they get money, all women they will change like that. It's not true.
No.
There might be things, there might be reasons for that woman to act that way. All women are not mad that big. No be that they will
Well,
just
well,
act.
not
We're
said
not
that
talk
women
say
are
we're not
mad.
talk say we're
Not
not
Trying
crazy.
to make
No,
my
but
point now.
now understand what she talk.
Yes, yes,
yes.
This one talk say I agree with Tone 100%.
Thank you, Jerry. Mwah.
Shut up.
Who now that?
No, we never answer.
We'll still come back to her
Let me
own.
tell you now.
No woman in her right senses will deliberately be mean to her partner because she earns more. Most women do not easily forget the good times as well as the bad times. If you were mean to her in the past, be rest assured you go collect in the future. Period. Now, if you ask your question. Now, the question where you ask, now say the question where I ask your question.
Now the question when I want ask to further
Why
that
then
point
they
be say,
vindictive?
why it be say a woman go pick on the part say, oh, this man treat me
He
like
do me this in that time.
at a time. So because of that one, I want to pay him back. Trust me, who good, who not good. not good rather.
Yes.
That woman, that attitude.
He didn't body na excuse wey
You
go
just
take
dey find-
unleash am na he dey fine.
Wetin go trigger that thing? A woman wey nice, when you need her the most, na then you go even say, despite all your wrong wey you don do,
He go still dey nice to you.
she go still dey nice. The least she fit do, if you push her reach the wall too much, she fit just walk out. But she no pay you evil for
no
evil.
go pay
back.
you evil for
because
evil.
not dey her
But my brother,
DNA.
general women, most women, not all, most women they pay evil for evil.
When a lot of people they say, oh, Joker Silva, see the way she
Yeah,
dey
they-
treat
yeah,
her
they very
husband,
revenge.
Olu Jacob, treat am at this age, how they behave. Everybody like am. But one actor come outside, Patrick Doyle. That Patrick Doyle say, why a lot of people they say if Olu Jacob treat her wrongly before she for the. He said no. He said Joker Silva, that na her attitude.
You understand?
Right from day one. He said even if you dey treat her bad, she go still dey nice to you. She no dey pay you evil for evil.
So you see the general knowledge of most women for Nigeria, even as Olujo comes say Joker Silva the fuller, people they comment,
I
didn't
think
know that.
I handled this that
You
time.
go come here, husband wey treat us well, I go take care
But
of
Yeah.
but now husband will treat us well, we go
I
take care of
handle
it.
it.
Yeah, see they right. That statement see they right
Say
now.
wetin?
Now husband will treat us well,
Now
we
we
go
take care of
handle.
our own
Yeah, now
things.
that
Yeah.
statement see they
Yeah.
right. Imagine you now, you know, go take care of me and you expect me to be smiling with you. What's that?
You know how many wrong our wives
that
they
doesn't
do
mean
to
I'm not
us.
a good woman,
Wait,
no.
now how many wrong our wives they do to us? Why we need to pay them
Why
back?
we not they
like
pay
that?
them back?
You guys are already paying us now.
How?
You're already paying
How?
us.
How?
Do you know how many things men they always do you every day?
You say
With
make
that
them not
type of
generalize, but
attitude-
now you don't dey generalize say
no,
men.
for men, you guys are well generalized.
You see
When it
what
comes-
you
because
see what now
every
they
day
talk
you dey
earlier.
talk about women.
So
You
you
dey
hear
talk
what now
about
they talk
women.
earlier.
God know why,
What I
yeah,
say,
women-
you calm down
women-
first, calm down. You see what they tell me? Say men, women are wired this way.
You don't go back to
I
that
dey
thing.
tell you
And I
because
tell you
now
that talk
wetin
get sense
now
down.
I dey tell you they are wired this way. You see, you dominion over your household. Man give that mantle to man.
God give man to
And if you check what the scripture talk, a man who cannot take care of his home
Is worse
is
now.
worse than an infidel.
I don't-
So already a man gets self-esteem, ego to massage that ego and now say you get the ability to provide for your home.
Yes.
Once you not fit, already only you
Go
forget
dey
the-
beat yourself.
go dey hammer yourself.
So why the women
you don't
dey
get that
do like
psychological problem? So
Yes.
if you can't get bad luck again,
Come go get the woman wey go come. Hey,
womanhood.
vavum vuvu.
What you get?
Now, we don't look the matter this angle. And sometimes I dey think
It's all right,
why you can't be say
Yeah.
why you can't be say the good woman good though.
Yes.
But the moment serious money enter her hand, even when her husband no offend her, she go still change.
Yes, she won't start to take some control.
Exactly.
Yeah,
because
Why?
why?
If it's your own ego where they
See.
make you they read meaning.
Yeah.
No.
What if na your ego they hurt
See,
you?
see.
Yes,
A
because
man
you
go-
feel bad, say you don't
Now
feel
you know
Wait,
provide.
wait.
Now
A man go know.
jealous.
A man go know when a switch dey the wife attitude.
You go know now.
And trust me, women they quick they lost with things.
See this guy.
The
He
moment-
said my wife arrest me for nothing. The worst thing that will happen to a man is a woman to feed him. He said the marriage is over
That's
now.
how I'm telling you.
Very worse.
Trust me,
The
if
ig-
women,
You know.
if God just say make all the women get now, within a year, almost all the marriage will crash. Finish.
Yes,
tell you.
now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
They go
Yes.
born, they go born
Some
the
of them are
husband.
good women.
yeah.
The moment the husband say, "Honey, please help me with my suit there," you not figure take on yourself. Now me you dey send.
Hey,
I
but
think
you
you go
you
come
fit
out.
send your woman.
No, you don't understand.
Sir. Okay, you said that if God would tell that all women should make them be head in the.
Make
No,
them
no,
make
make
money.
them
I'm
get
not gonna say
money.
Make them make money now.
Make them
Make
make
everybody
money.
hold on.
I said 95%
I thought you said.
go bullshit their
Let me
husband.
Marriage go
wait.
Please,
Make I
hold on.
wait. Make I read this
95.
message. Wait, may I read this message. This guy say, "Oga, good back. Yeah, do let me use my situation and answer your question. I made money through right way, built my house. My goods came in trailers. A man married me and squandered the business by every motto thrown away. He will buy it without my consent. Even when I saw it and asked him, he would deny. I told him to record all he bought so that he can know what he sells. He said he's Oga, he's married me, until he made sure he crumbled my source of income and cash before he left without a divorce. I am happy because I'm doing fine again, training my son without na maybe Oga."
Thank you. Well. Now see that they make. Ma, I tell you about my friend. I cannot call the name. He popular. Well. This guy hammer because of the kind wife when he get, he mind open. He just dey buy things. The woman, the moment he just say, I need to buy this car. This car go nice. Oh. The wife go rush go buy the car the next day. Oh, he goes, honey, you don't buy. Okay, no wahala. Because of say the two of them they run joint account. Once he say he want to buy big screen TV, the wife go buy the next day. Not knowing say all those why the wife they buy now her name because she get plan for front. Because of why the man openly love. Believe say now with two. At the end of the day, me and you they talk so now the woman fed divorce him. The guy live with only bed. Phone.
As the guy they collect before the guy don't hustle.
That guy buy the phone because of say he not even tell us say I want buy phone. He just see the phone say like the phone just buy glass. Oh, all of that tonight they leave. That's why and name be everything. So when you they talk the one when it be say man do woman, you know how many women they do men, but men they shame because of ego. We nothing they talk.
Man, not talk you because of ego.
Shame because the society go say,
good morning to you. I agree. This one say I agree with Tom. I agree with Tom. Now what I they always talk. You can't treat a woman badly and be expecting her to treat you right when you not get. You as a man, Wetin go make you treat your wife bad in the first place? Good morning, Oganedu. The truth remains, a man can handle a woman for years and still have respect for her. But a woman can't and can never handle a man for just a month without insulting the man. The same thing happened to my elder brother, but he still did his best and tolerate the insult, and now things have balanced for them. So the man should not give up. My name is Young Barrister from Lakwe. This one they talking. Oh no, okay. I opened a provision store for my husband, and when he went to his village to bring his mom, I can't even ask how much he sells again. He will tell me I'm disobeying his authority until him and his mom empty my shop. Mrs. Abiola from Igbogbo. Now talk this one. So
you never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.